Page 26, Snake Dance. It's got some accidentals here that we got to deal with. Let's look it over. It's 2 pages long, treble and bass clef, 4/4 time signature. We're sort of in C major, but it's got accidentals, so we're not in C major. Take each hand, one hand at a time, make sure we have the notes and the rhythms and all. Starting with the right hand, it plays in measure 4. You know, the pickup to measure 5. It's the first measure of the second line. Yeah, your thumb's here, so that puts you here. And we will move to whatever black keys we need when we get there, because the key signature, according to that, there's no sharps or flats, so it's all white keys. So that's the hand position, and we'll make the adjustments as we need them. So here it's starting, and then immediately I need an E flat, so I'm going to take the E, the third finger for the E flat. So it's 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. Again. And there in the third line, first measure, both of those E flats are flat. That's basically the piece. So we seem to be using all of these notes for the most part until we get to the bottom of page 27, the last line. We have F sharps they throw in there. So it's here and the F sharp here. Just reach out. That's all. Sounds a little different. Left hand, well, you're starting that with the left hand right off the bat. You have the E flat and the F sharp here, here. Because you're in this position, right? And then we just do that. Quarter. Okay. Measure 5 is C and a G. And that's tied for 2 measures, and you keep doing that for a while. Till the last 2 notes on the page is here. Quarter notes. I think you can do that. Put the hands together. Starting on the second line where they play together, it's here, 2, and then here. And now it's here and here. And you're going to hold the left hand down. It's tied for 2 measures. And again, get the idea. Now it's starting with the last 2 notes on that page. Here. You're playing the same note names, but the fingers are different. So you can work that out. Last line at the bottom, page 27, you're here. That left hand is tied. The whole note tied to the quarter note, so you hang on to it. So it's, again, tied, and now together. And here. It's a little tricky, so you work out the hands and the rhythms and all that. And right now I'm connecting everything until I get it all worked out and get rid of the hesitations. And then I'll think about the articulation. Well, we're connecting them at the beginning. And in the right hand, you're connecting these. Lift up. Just a little, it's like taking a breath. Up. In the left hand, connect this as best you can. It's repeated notes, you can't connect it, but it's not a lift up like you're doing in the right hand. So lift up. Here. Now the last measure on that page, you lift up together. And then at the top of page 27 we have staccatos. And I'm hinging at the wrist here, short staccatos. So again, like so, and then we add the accents. I'll measure what, 14 it is. G's, the first note is just a little heavier. And again on measure 16, a little heavier for the accent. So starting on measure 13 is you do the articulation, and when you feel you're ready, then we'll think about the dynamics. It starts out soft, and you'll have to decide what soft is. P for piano, whatever. And then you have that hairpin at the end of the line. You're going to go up to about a medium loud. Wake up. And now the right hand takes over medium loud, and the left hand got to be in the background. This needs to be soft. I want to hear the right hand. That's the melody. And you're staying there until the last two notes on the page where you go up to loud. And this is the right hand. You can come up in the left hand, but only about a medium loud. We want to hear the right hand. I know they're playing the same notes, and it sounds like melody, but in my mind, it's not really melody. The melody's in the right hand. We're just playing harmony an octave apart, because we can do that. So to me, the right hand is still the louder, the left hand is still in the background. It makes the accented note very loud. And then you come down moderately loud, and the left hand's soft. Measure 21 is like it was at the beginning. You're soft, but you're going to start crescendoing up to loud all the way there. Here, and then the right hand takes over. So it continues to grow up to loud, the G. The abstract, and then you come back down to sort of loud. You don't come down to soft there. Come down to sort of loud. Soft. Let's measure 21. Keep going louder. Loud. Now come down. There. The left hand, when it plays the G, needs to come. Can you go? Can you play this and then soft? Because the right hand takes over. If you can't, don't worry about it. Just play the left hand right there. That's fine. Let the right hand take over. Because that G is going to die away anyway. And I only want to be up to about a moderately soft to moderately loud here on the first measure, the last line. Soft. I'm only up to about a moderately soft, moderately loud in here because I want more room to go louder here. And there's a retard on it. Slow down. Okay. As far as the speed goes, I've heard this melody at different speeds. You decide on it. It has to be controlled, it has to be accurate. So I'll leave it up to you. If I played this 10 times, I'd play it at a different speed every time, probably, because I play by feel, and what do I feel it? How mysterious do you want this, or whatever? I don't know. It has something to do with dancing snakes, I guess. Let's play it together very slowly and double check the notes and the rhythms. I'm not going to do any dynamics. I'm going to play everything about the same, but I will do the staccatos and the accents. So I'll give us 4 counts. This is just to check to make sure you have the right notes at the right times. That's all this is for. 1, 2, ready, go. 2. Two, 4, 2. pianist. Off. There's a duet at the bottom of the page. I'd like to play that, and you play what you just played. I'm going to speed this up just a little bit, and again, I need you to go up an octave on the keyboard. So again, just pretend a middle C, instead of here on the keyboard, is up here, and this is middle C. So instead of here, you're up here. And play it all up here. I'll give us 4 counts. 1, 2, ready, go.